everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain you all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, the location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. Review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Frequent deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various new plans and booking policies.